We had an introduction with Saniji some months ago, and during the discussion, he introduced us to VRAcademi, and we then looked into it. And because I've got two boys, and Hajas is the younger one, and because during COVID we were in lockdown, so we were not sure how to keep them fully busy and progressing with their studies. So this looked like a very good opportunity for him. He loves games. So the idea was that if he can look into gaming and it excites him, then that would take him forward into potentially be something that he wants to do either part-time or full-time, doesn't really matter. So he started off with the basic with the basic program, then we enhanced to the further program, and it's been going on ever since. He's become a lot more focused in terms of wanting to learn. So he looks forward to the lessons, and I think if he had a lesson every day, he wouldn't complain either. I think one of the reasons why he enjoys it is he's almost getting like a one-to-one service. So obviously, even though it's online, he's got total focused attention because both my boys are on the autistic spectrum.
Right.
So obviously working as a group, they find it, well, especially Hajjas finds it a bit more challenging, I guess.
Okay.
And I think what the academy did for him with a one-to-one lesson was give him that attention that he needs to get his focus going. If you look at where the future is, with Metaverse and VR and AR coming along,
right,
it's the future. You can't change it. You're not going to be able to stop it. I think it is the future. There's no doubt about it. All parents are scared about children being online one-to-one. But the point is that all the sessions are recorded. And after the session, the videos are actually shared with us. So we as parents can take the responsibility of watching the video to make sure that everything is appropriate, and if it isn't, we've got a chance to feed back to them. So I think that side itself, VR have done quite well. I think the service we're getting is very good. I just get the feedback from the boys, and they're comfortably progressing on with the development. I don't really have any complaints, to be honest. It's covered well, it's managed well. We have passed the name on to other people. In fact, I think my brother-in-law's son is also on one of the programs. So he's already started. He's quite young. He's only about 6 or 7 years old, but he's already keen and he's already been through the lessons.
That's great.
We are Academy. Create your impossible.